Right now is a great time to go solar, but finding the right company can sometimes feel like a challenge. Today, West Coast Solar explores the top benefits of partnering with a local solar company in Northern California. Partnering with a local solar company means there are fewer hurdles to jump over. By eliminating the middleman, we can work with you directly on your solar project from start to finish to ensure maximum accuracy and efficiency. When you work with a larger solar company, they often take a cookie-cutter approach. On the other hand, a local company can design and install a system that is completely customized to your needs, goals, and specifications. Helping our customers go solar is more than just a transaction. It's a partnership. Local solar installers like ours take the time to build meaningful, lasting relationships so our clients know they always have someone on their side when they need assistance. At West Coast Solar, we're invested in the people and communities we serve, and we'll always go the extra mile to ensure we meet and exceed your expectations. Request a free in-home estimate today to learn more.